In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a bug tracker in Airtable. We'll set up a clear, shared workflow so you can log issues, prioritize them, and close them with confidence. Start by logging into Airtable on desktop. Create a new base using Add a Base and start from scratch, or open an existing base you'd like to use for bug tracking. Rename the first table to Bug Tracker, and add the core fields you'll use on every issue. Create bug title as single-line text for a short, searchable name. Add description as long text for steps to reproduce, expected versus actual behavior, and important notes. Make priority a single select with low, medium, high, and critical, so everyone uses the same values. Set status as a single select with open, in progress, testing, resolved, and closed to reflect each stage. Include reported by and assigned to as single line text to track ownership. Add environment as a single select for dev, staging, or production to help triage risk. Finally, add date reported as a date field to understand timelines. This table is your central QA log. As you and your team find issues, add new rows to log bugs immediately. Keep status, priority, and assigned to up to date as work moves forward. Consistent updates make the queue clear and prevent duplicate effort. Create focused views to stay on top of what matters. Make a filtered view for open bugs to show everything still active. One for high and critical to surface urgent work. A bugs in testing view to coordinate validation. And a resolved bugs view for items awaiting final closure. Views let each person see their slice without changing the data. To triage quickly, sort by priority or by date, report it to see what's most urgent or most recent. Use filters for environment or SNE when you're planning a release or balancing workloads. Quick reminder, the link to Airtable's website is at the top of the description. Open it and follow along while you set up your tracker. For lightweight automation, add a rule that notifies the SNE when a bug is assigned, and another that alerts QA when status changes to testing. This keeps everyone aligned without manual follow-ups. Make it a habit to review resolved items, then switch them to closed. Move closed issues into a filtered view so your main table stays clean and focused. That's how you can track software bugs in Airtable and manage QA workflows efficiently. Thanks for watching.